Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. It's been a while since I've actually been back in this garage, and since I've seen my car, I think the last time I saw it was at Autobahn, and that was a little over a month ago, I feel like, maybe even longer. Here it is in the garage here. There's Brandon's MRS. It's getting a new trans in it right now, so it's all taken apart. But one thing I've been wanting to do for a while, and I've been heavily neglecting it, is cleaning my wheels. And if you guys look, these things are super dirty, just caked with brake dust. This is supposed to be bronze, and that's definitely not bronze. That's the front, and here's the rear. So I've done about 6 track days already, and I haven't cleaned the wheels once. So I don't know if it's too late now and this stuff is just caked on it for good, but we're gonna try to clean it. And I don't know how the stars lined up or how the universe works, but I was already planning to clean my wheels. And then one day I looked at my inbox in my email and I saw a message from the people at Super Clean who makes degreasers, absorbents, things like that. And they reached out and asked me if I wanted to try out some of their products. And I said, heck yes. And this is what they sent me. So they sent me some of their products. They even sent me some merch. So Super Clean hat and shirt. This is what I was really looking forward to, the all-wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna be using that today, kind of reviewing it, see how it works. We got their degreaser and aerosol can, and then they got a floor absorbent as well. So it was very nice of them to send me some of their products to try out. This isn't some kind of major brand deal or sponsorship. This is just them wanting to send me some things to try out and review and try to get their name out a little bit more. I mean, Super Clean is pretty well known. I mean, you can go into any large retail store, and I was just at the parts store, and most of this stuff was on the shelf. But again, perfect timing to use the all-wheel cleaner to try and clean these wheels. Honestly, I don't know how well it's gonna do it. Not the product's fault, it's my fault for waiting so long, but I did get a wheel and tire brush to agitate it because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need it. It's not like an acid-based thing where I can just spray it on and watch the brake dust fall off. So I understand there's gonna be some elbow grease required to get this stuff off. I think I'm gonna remove one wheel at a time, clean the inside barrel, clean the spokes, clean the face, clean everything. Try to get it as clean as possible, and then yeah, just do one at a time and see where we end up and see how clean we can get the wheels. Hopefully super clean. All right, here we go. We got the wheel right here. It's a dirty one, very dirty. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but hopefully this comes through. See, it's dirty, a bunch of tire marbles all over, caked on the inside. Directions say spray her down with some water and then start to coat it with the cleaner itself. Just coat it and let it sit and soak for about 30 seconds. Agitate, of course. I'm gonna need to agitate because this stuff is yeah, it's on there. And then we'll rinse off afterwards. We'll see how she does. Oh. All right, got me the brush. Time to agitate. Agitate. Just some light scrubbing. I'm not applying a ton of pressure. Honestly, it's looking a lot cleaner already, even without the agitation. Look at the spokes. Bronze is actually popping through again. Okay, got the rim. Move on to the spokes. we have agitated. It's starting to look pretty clean already. There's some spots. Oh, that's from old wheel weights, some adhesive, but time to rinse it off. You can already tell the difference. Oh yeah. It's bronze again. Oh yeah. Put this thing over. Look. Yo. Hold up. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. That is that's this right here. All right. Seriously, I did not think that the wheel was gonna get that clean. It's almost brand new. Just to compare, is an old dirty wheel, which I still have to clean. And here's a clean wheel. Look at that. That looks good. I honestly did not think that the wheels were to come out that clean. That's awesome. All right, so tested, verified. That stuff right here. Thumbs up. Pretty good. I'm out of breath because, you know, it's hot. I'm fat. Time to get the rest of the wheels, one at a time. All right, well, that was fun. That was satisfying seeing my wheels turn from really, really dirty and covered in brake dust to really clean. I'm very satisfied with this thing right here. You know, this is my first track car, and I've always heard the stories and the nightmares about brake dust getting coated on wheels and not wanting to come off at all. And I neglected 6 track days in a row. Being able to clean them off like this is, again, this isn't some crazy major brand deal. This is just some little thing for them to get some more brand recognition. So 100% I would recommend the all-wheel cleaner. It has done me wonders for my wheels. They're not paying for me to say this at all. This is my honest and actual review. I mean, you guys just saw me clean my wheels. And some of you may know me, like I wouldn't just vouch for anybody. It's pretty well known stuff and obviously it works. I wouldn't just, you know, sell out and just start marketing a bunch of people's stuff. I actually had to really believe in it to even want to try it out. I've had other companies reach out that, you know, there's different demographic. What they're trying to achieve isn't exactly what I'm trying to achieve. And I've had to turn some other companies down, and that's okay because the direction I want to take the channel, the quality, how their products relate to what I'm trying to do has to be on the same level and understanding. And of course, with Super Clean, having an automotive product. I mean, guys, we're always cleaning stuff, so this just 100% made sense. And you know, I'm satisfied with it. So that's my take on it. All right, and that just about does it. Today is actually Wednesday, and I'm heading out to Portland tomorrow all the way till Sunday for work. So I'll be at Portland International Raceway with the supercars doing my thing over there. And also I have a bunch more track car reviews coming up. Super exciting. I'm glad you guys are liking the new series. I'm having a lot of fun shooting it, meeting people, getting to know their cars. It's been a really cool experience so far, so keep your eye out. Definitely a lot more of those coming. Again, let me know what you like about those videos, what you don't like, what you'd like to see more of, what you'd like to see less of. The more feedback I get, the better those videos are gonna be. And with that, if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys wanna stay up to date with my progress as a driver and the progress of my EG as it develops, as I develop, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and put the questions down in the comment section down below and I will do my best to answer them. But until the next video, stay safe, stay smooth, and I'll see you guys later.